So we're back at Cozy Acres. We're going to try to trim and tilt. Yep. Working fine. Let's see, get her started. Fire's right up. No hassle. Let's see if the tranny on the outboard's working. Yep, there it is. I guess that's forward. That's neutral. Whoa. Reverse. Yep, everything's functioning as usual. That's another win. We'll put it back in neutral. It's also got an aerator for the bait, I guess, bait tank, and then LTS, whatever that is, lights, internal lights. So I'm gonna try hooking up the Minn Kota and see what we can get out of that puppy.